Okay, well, just got back from Illinois with all the parts for the 1963 Impala purchased online auction. Just went and picked up all the parts to it. Still had to go back and pick up the car itself, which is on a rotisserie in the interior. It's a 4.5-hour trip to get all these parts. And we'll go back and get the body itself. The frame on this car is just in superb shape. It's totally clean, rust-free. Motor's been redone. All kinds of parts there to assemble the car. And we got parts there. We've got parts back there. We were just filling up as much as we could get in the trip. So let's get it unpacked and see what we got. Okay, so we got all the smalls unloaded. Have the chassis still on the car dolly yet to get off, but go over everything this car came with, which is the frame, the X frame, the motor, transmission, power glide. It's all been redone. It sat for a little bit, gotten some dust, but it's all been totally redone. The frame's in great shape. Came with an extra rear end. Not sure what we're going to do with it. And then we'll go with the smalls over here, which it came with all the fenders and hood, 2 core supports, new brakes, and it's got the fan shroud, radiator, condenser. It is an AC car. Have the AC for it right there, fan, have the bumpers for it right there, hood, fenders, got an extra fender for it, have extra vinyl for the interior, 2 steering columns, ascending units, all kinds of miscellaneous parts in there, door panels for the car. And over here we have a new glass, carpet, there's a rear tray pack there, carpet, lots of extras there. Now the next trip is to go back and get the body that's on the car rotisserie and haul it back, and the interior. Then we'll have the car here. We'll start seeing what we're going to do with it. Put it together, or maybe sell it the way it is. Who knows? This is all the parts for the 63 Impala. Alright, we got our 1963 Impala. Just got back from Illinois with it. 4.5-hour trip to make it back here to Nicetown. And we also got our chassis. Frame's all been redone. X-frame, nice and solid. One of the solidest frames I've seen. No rust on it. Ready to bolt back together. A 2-speed power glide with a 283 motor that's all been redone. The car itself is solid as can be. All metal, no rust in it underneath whatsoever. It's got some surface rust on the outside of it. I think we're going to keep the patina on it and redo everything else. It's got the original bench seats and everything there to go with it. And the car is super solid. It's got a nice headliner up in it. Solid. Can't wait to get started on it. It's an air-conditioned car. Have everything for the AC. All up underneath of it is all solid, all the fender wells. Doors open and shut, super solid. So there it is, 1963 Impala project getting ready to get started. Condition car.
can't wait